Hi everyone, my name's Justin Tippett and I'm going to walk you through the process on how to add your business to the CX directory. So the first step you want to do is just head over to this Add Your Business section here, and it'll bring up a page. You'll see this video that you're probably potentially watching already. What we're really interested in is this section here. We just need you to open a free account. It doesn't cost any money, that's free, no credit cards, etc. But this is the first step in adding your business. So you can log in with your social logins, either LinkedIn or Google, or you can just manually register as well, which I'm going to do now and just walk you through the process very quickly. So we just need your name, your country, location, an email address. Now with your email address, just quickly, the domain is really important. We don't accept Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, etc. We need to know that you work at that business. So by using a domain name, that tells us the answer. Now, if you are an ad agency, as an example, where you don't have access to that domain name, just contact us and we'll be able to help you out, of course. The other thing we need is a password because you do have a dashboard, so we want to make sure it's at least relatively secure. So we just ask for one capital letter, one number, and at least 6 characters. And finally, you've just got the Google identity thing at the bottom there. We want the green tick. Sometimes you get the, how many traffic light images, etc. And once we're there, we just click the green button here, create free account. Now, once you've done that, what that does is just trigger an email straight to the email that you've already just used, and you'll see that come in straight away. And what we need to do is open that email and just click on the verify and confirm button. And once you've done that, it just takes you to your dashboard. All you need to do is use that password one more time to log in. And there we are, we're in your dashboard. Now, this is the bit where you get to add your business to the directory. Now, if you don't know much about our directory, there are 5 different levels, 5 ways you can add your business, starting at our entry level all the way up to our platinum level. Now, if you're not sure about the differences between them all, I do suggest you just head over to part on the website. It's called Different Level Examples, and you can actually see them here in the flesh. So you can see an example of our platinum level, including the Learn More button. So if you click on those, if you didn't know, there's a whole page for that particular business. So you can include all sorts of stuff, fun facts, address information, website URLs, contact forms, so people can send messages, images, videos, downloads, etc. There's a lot of stuff you can fit on. And you can go right through to our bottom one is our entry level, which still gets you some text there, and importantly, a link to your website. And a lot of marketers tell me it's worth it just for that alone, for the backlink there as well. And there's also a comparison table, just shows you the differences between all the different levels. So when you're adding your listing, I'm just going to choose a starter level. Of course, depending on the level you choose, we'll ask for more information. And I'll just show you quickly how to fill it out. So the first step is a business name. So I'm just going to call this the test company. And the next section we want to know is just your website. So we want the full URL. So when I say full URL, that's normally the HTTPS bit. So just copy and paste your current browser and put it straight in. And normally for most people, they would also use the same for the link text. The reason we offer that is some people like to add codes and stuff in the back end to the URL that they're going to do, but that would look really horrible if we showed that on the front end of the website. So you can just leave this text here and it'll go to that link. So either, you've got a choice. I'm just going to leave it both the same, which is probably what 99% of people will do. Then you get this bit where you have to tell people about your business. This is the important bit. This is the text that people read. So you can put whatever you like in. Test description. I'm really bad at typing when I'm under pressure and filming. It tells you how many characters you get. It changes depending on the level that you've got. So for this level, as an example, we've got 300 characters. You can see I've used 16. Next spot is just adding a physical address. Now you can just click yes and enter the address. We use Google lookup, so you can just select your address straight away. If you don't want to show your address, just leave it at no. Now, this is the really important bit and where some people get confused. So I'm going to do my best to make it nice and clear. When you purchase a listing for us, and in this instance, we pick the starter level at $147, that gets your business listed in one particular category, a subcategory. If you want to list in multiple categories, then you would need to purchase additional listings. So let me explain what that means in reality. Let's assume I'm a call center outsourcer. So my category would be call center outsourcing. And then I'm presented with a subcategory of locations. So it could be an outsourcer in Australia, the Philippines, South Africa, etc. So I'm going to pick Australia. But if I wanted to list my business in both, say Australia and the Philippines, I would have to purchase 2 listings. So that's how the categories work. Conversely, if I wanted to be in 2 categories, I would have to purchase 2 listings. Now, once you've picked your category and subcategory where relevant, now not everything has subcategories. Consultants, for example, doesn't have any. You're always then asked to select search tags. What are search tags? Wow, they're super powerful. The tags are relative to the category or subcategory you're selected, and it helps people refine what they're looking for, making it easier to find your business. So in this instance, if I've selected consulting, you might have someone who's an expert at call center health checks, and they might be also fantastic at call center technology. And so that's their 2 tags. Where that's really important, let me just show you in the real world. I'll go to the directory and I will look at consultants. And here we go. So consultants, I'll click on the category and you'll see all the search tags that are here. And this call center health check bit is the one that we were just selecting. Now, if I click that, the only selections that are going to show are actual businesses that have call center health check tags. You'll see every business that's here has call center health checks. The reason that's important, one, it helps people when they're on the directory, but this page, if someone just typed in call center health checks in Google, they would land directly on this page. So they're only ever going to see businesses that have that particular search tag. So that's why search tags are really important. And depending on the level you've got, our Platinum comes with 15 search tags. This particular level, as an example, has 2. The next section is a company logo. You can just drag and drop it into that box, or if you've got it sitting on your desktop or somewhere, you can just click that button, click open, and it'll upload the image straight away. That's it. That's all we need to do. We then go to the checkout page and we ask for a little bit more information. We just need some invoice details, so just company name, ABN where applicable, your invoice address, etc., and then the payment options. Now you've got 2 ways to pay with us. You can pay with credit card and instantly go through. You can select an invoice and we'll send you an invoice for that listing. And once that invoice has been paid, we'll obviously set your listing to live. Assuming you're going to go with credit card, all you'll do is just put your details in, click the purchase listing button. That transaction will go through. It'll send an alert to our admin team. We review manually every listing to make sure everything's in order. We'll publish it live and we'll send you an email and you're in business and those leads will start coming in. If you've got any other questions, please just click on the contact us page. You've got a form there you can fill out at any time, or if you want to call us between 8:30 and 5:30, Monday to Friday, we'll be able to have a chat to you on the phone. Thanks for watching.